Hotty toddy, welcome back to Oxford, Mississippi. Another edition of Gumball Gold. And if you're new to the channel, I share my experiences in bulk vending to make the best return on your investment. And I have a whole community on Facebook. It's the group called Bulk Vending. Answer the question Gumball Gold to get in, and a bonus question to see if you're crazy and you won't get in. And today's video, I think I'll title it Rusty and Crusty. You'll find out why real soon. But comment down below if you have the same habit as me, where you're checking on great locations that already have a bulk machine there. And I do this quite often. Here in Oxford, Mississippi, it's a small town with at least 50 restaurants, and every town, region, city has that top 10 most popular restaurants. And this one's called Obie's. And to me, these are $100 a month locations with the foot traffic that they receive. I've always spied on this location for at least 2 years. I have a location next door. And every time I go in there, I ask the manager if they know who services this machine, who owns it. They never know. But I get to spy on it to see the sales. And let me take you in there. As you come in the front doors, the said machines are over to the left. That's a double head Northwestern 60 model, I believe. Comment down below if you know the model numbers. But check it out. Rusty and Crusty. Would you trust the product coming out of this machine? And of course, double bubble. For 2 years, the same gumballs and chiclets have been in this machine. And I think once it's been refilled. So the sales are very, very slow here. Rusty, Crusty. My God. Even the bottom of the stand looks horrid. Oh my God. And to me, it'd be better placed in the entryway. But anyway, the other day, I go in there, and again, I ask the manager, if any information on the owner of the machine. They're like, no, but the owner is here of the restaurant. Would you like to speak with him? I'm like, yes. Oh my God, yes. All this time, maybe I got a shot at grabbing this location, getting the owner of the machine tossed out and my machine put in. But come to find out, the owner of the restaurant owns the machine. It belongs to the restaurant. Wow, I'm thinking in my head, my chances just doubled. And so I showed him exactly what you just looked at, and he agreed with me. It's just Rusty and Crusty, and he wouldn't trust the product coming out of it either. And I'm like, oh, well, my odds are so great of getting this location. But he kind of popped my bubble when he said that he's got to talk to his partner first. So immediately I'm thinking this business has 2 owners. Who knows, maybe more. But he agreed with me, and I told him I have attractive brand new Rhino machines, and I use the latest product that's popular, especially the American-made gumballs. And he went for my pitch. So next week, I'm going to go in and follow up as he asked, see if he had his little business meeting and if I got the location. But I want y'all to comment down below, and I read them all. Do you have the same habit, following up with these restaurants and stealing locations, getting whoever services this machine or owns it kicked out? Has this experience ever happened to you? All right, thanks for watching. I'm back out reading the mail. Bye-bye.